Okay, so hello, Professor. Mm, our group is Portage in Charlotte. So the project summary is the project in Charlotte is a small resort in Muskoka near Huntsville, Ontario. Georgian College student have to move an existing website into WordPress. One unfinished aspect of this was the addition of one or two pages about the Charlotte, and her owner aims to use the data analytics to make decisions regarding the market strategy of this resort. This project is looking to increase the number of visitors to the resort through the completion of the web page and web analysis that improves the marketing strategies. At the end of the project, client will receive a finished web page and a tool that could be used to analyze the data of the web page visitor and the purpose of communication strategies based on it. So the team members of our project is Babin is a team lead. He manages the client communication and provides all the information related to it. Antonio is the business analyst of our team, and he creates and builds detailed business analysis outlining problems, opportunities, and solutions for the business. And at the end, Manav, it's me, like I do the integrated software components and the third-party programs for our project. So the high-level timeline Gantt chart is like currently we are in a testing mode and we are bit delayed in our timeline as of now, like we supposed to do in a testing, but still we are doing some parts of the deployment and testing as well. And but we hope we'll catch up soon. And the project summer progress update for now is like currently we are on a testing stage in which we are testing and changing mockup pages and analytical dashboard using Power BI. As per the current scenarios, we don't have actual data from a client, so team members have discussed and conclude to work on the sample data, but with the same approach. Also, we are trying to implement the Python-based approach for analytics. Current task is to implement and test mockup pages and the Power BI dashboard. Upcoming plans is to update mockup and dashboard as per the requirements or the changes by the project manager or the client. So the plan for the next week's weekly status report is to the next test. Next week will be also in the testing phase. Once the testing will be done, we'll update as per the new requirements or the changes, deploy the mockup, and will be created with the help of the analysis tools. The individual status report of the Bhavin Shrestha is like currently he is working on the mockup pages, which will help and helping us in the dashboard. And the succession solutions is like update the requirement as per the outcomes. So the upcoming plans to is to start making designs with the help of the team of the new task or the new requirements. Individual status report of mine is to collection and the cleaning of the sample data. Once the data will be cleaned, we'll be start working on analytical approach with the help of the Python based. And the success and solutions will be the update the requirements and adjust the outcomes. Change the request and threats and challenge, evaluate how to do it and considering that we don't have any access to the site. So the individual status report of the Antonio is the collection and cleaning of the sample data. Once the data will be cleaned, he will be also working on an analytical approach. Update the requirements and adjust the outcomes. Support the development of the analysis tools, team meeting and business analyst tools definition. The communication plan is the Nancy is a stakeholder, Richard or and Pedram is our instruction for the subject. Brolinda is a project manager. Marvin is a team lead, Manav, me as a developer, and Antonio as a business analyst. So we will love to hear any feedbacks from you, Professor, and thank you so much. Babin, can you please start the explaining about SharePoint site?
Thank you, Manav. I am Bhavin, uh, team member of Portaging and Charlotte. I'm gonna present the SharePoint of the Portaging and Charlotte. Here is the side of the SharePoint. These are the process we have used to develop the Portaging and Charlotte website. We have here initial phases, and we are right now in the testing phase. We have completed till development. So I'm gonna move to timesheets. So timesheets, what is it? Okay, timesheets. Okay, okay, okay. We have done everything as required, and we are, as I said, we are in testing. So as development is little bit delayed because of the certain region. So testing will be uh, started as soon as the development phase is completed. So after that we're gonna start the release, which is due on the December 16, and after that we're gonna meet the client and hand over our project. So after, I'm gonna show the high level tasks where we have done the created a wireframe, validator modify is still left over, and the publishing the news pages are also still left over. So X and items. We have done the prototype, technologies used, everything is done, and the meetings of meet are, we have done this as frequently as we can. We have meted the teacher. We have been having meeting with the team member as frequently to talk about the problems and the solution of the problem we are facing currently. So yeah, and that's all for the Porkizin and Zalet SharePoint side. And I'm gonna hand over rest of the analytics part to the Antonio. Thank you.
Thanks, Manav. Give me a second until I share my screen. Okay, are you seeing my screen?
Yes, Antonio.
Okay, then this is the advance that we have in the analytic tool that we are thinking to the portage in Chalet Resort. And we don't have the data, the data that we supposed to get from the resort. So we take some data from Kaggle to try to do some dashboard that can be used for them and to show what are the data, the main data that they should have to know to manage and to improve the resort reservations and on other things that can be useful for the business. And so in this, the first graph that we present here is the average of total nights by month. So we can see that in January the people stays almost 3 nights, 3 nights, and in July and August is almost 4 nights. We can also see where are the people, where is the people, where the people come from to visit the hotel. This data set comes from Portugal, so we can see that the most of the most of people that um, use the this hotel dataset comes from Portugal, and the other points are from another countries, but the main is Portugal. We can see this because we consider that it's important because not the whole people has the same I don't know, maybe the same way of do the things, the same customs, the same meals. They have another different. They are from different cultures, so we decided to present this because I think that it's important to know where is the from where the people is coming and do the I don't know the adequations according to their needs. Here in the bottom part, we can see the average daily rate by month. We can see how much the people is paying per night. We can see that here in January they stay less days, so they pay a little bit less. And in July and in August, the people pay a little bit more because they stays more nights. Also, we can see here how is the distribution of the people, how much people visit the hotels in different months, and the most active months are July and August. This is important because we can the hotel can be prepared to take decisions, put some more rooms available or something like that. And maybe in this month like January or November we can fix all the problems that have some rooms and close and all and do all the adequations that maybe could be necessary to have the hotel in good conditions. Here we have the data of about how's the reservation status. Almost the whole people that reserve stays in the hotel. 60 to almost 63% of the people that made a reservation stays in the hotel and do the checkout. Almost 36% cancel the reservation. This is important because we we can play with I don't know the how much how much hotels rooms we consider that can be occupied. We can I don't know say that almost 100% is occupied for reservations, but almost the 36% is going to be canceled. So we can try to oversell our hotel, expecting that this value it's almost 36. We can know how much we can oversell. And here
Sorry
in
to
the
interrupt you, Antonio, but we are going out of time limit, so we need to finish it now.
okay,
So,
okay. And the last one is the people I prefer meal. Here is the people prefer only just take the breakfast. Just 12% prefers a half board with breakfast and dinner, and just a few prefer the whole food. And that's it.
okay, so that's it from our side, Professor, and we love to hear any feedbacks from you. Thank you so much, Professor.